Understanding, apply a tourniquet, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, apply a tourniquet. This phrase is not only interesting in terms of its language structure but is also crucial in medical emergencies. Whether you're learning English for everyday use, professional development, or just out of interest, understanding such phrases can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of apply a tourniquet. The phrase, apply a tourniquet, refers to the action of placing a tourniquet on a limb. But what exactly is a tourniquet? A tourniquet is a device used to stop the flow of blood through a vein or artery, typically by compressing a limb with a tight bandage. This action is crucial in medical emergencies, especially when someone is bleeding heavily, to prevent blood loss until medical help arrives. 1. Apply. This verb means to put or place something onto something else. In our context, it means placing the tourniquet onto a part of the body. 2. A tourniquet. This is a noun, referring to the actual device used. It's usually a strip of cloth, rubber, or another material that can be tightened around a limb. Understanding each part of the phrase helps in comprehending the overall action being described. The phrase, apply a tourniquet, is often used in medical contexts. It's a life-saving technique used in situations like severe injuries with heavy bleeding, during surgeries, in first aid scenarios. It's important to note that applying a tourniquet should be done correctly to be effective and safe. Improper application can cause further harm. To help you better understand, let's see some examples. 1. The paramedic had to apply a tourniquet to stop the bleeding from the man's leg. 2. In the first aid course, we learned how to apply a tourniquet in case of emergencies. These sentences show the practical use of the phrase in everyday language. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, apply a tourniquet. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your English vocabulary but also equips you with knowledge that could be life-saving. Keep learning, and don't forget to practice using new phrases in your conversations. Stay safe and see you in the next video.